welcome back. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Sion Daraja and we're at Nambi Fashion. Today I bring to you guys another of our unique design waist trainers. This waist trainer is our own patent. So this waist trainer is this right here. This is a latex double elastic band waist trainer with, you can see right here, as you can see, it has a hook and eye buckle closure, not like a Velcro closure as we saw in other belt waist trainers. And look at it here. So this is also a latex waist trainer. So it means it has 3 layers: the outside, the nylon, the middle one, the 100% natural latex, and then the inside one, the cotton and the spandex one. So this is also the same as those. And also it has 9 flexible steel bones for your back support and for keeping the waist trainer for a long time, making it durable. And also it has 3 rows of hooks, so that each time you start to lose weight, you can go one down until you finish the waist trainer. And our hooks are unique of their double stitch. It has double stitching, so it's going to make the hooks really strong and long lasting, so that they won't break when you're putting it on, and we're going to struggle when putting on a waist trainer. That's a fact. So this is really helpful. So in this regards, this is also the same as the previous latex waist trainers, but there's a big but here. What makes it really unique is this elastic belt. It's not the same as the other elastic belts you saw before. As you can see, it has a hook and eye closure, not a Velcro to buckle the belt. And also, let me bring another waist trainer for you. You can see it's different from the other elastic belts I've shown you guys before. Look at it here. It's really tight. Let me show you a comparison. This is the common elastic belt I showed you guys before. I've shown you guys. Look, it's also a double one, but it's breathable and it's really elastic. It's really tight. You can see here, this one and this one. This one is really thick and it's really tight, really tight. So the tighter the belt, the elastic belt is, the more tighter it's going to hold you in. So the more good the waist trainer is, right? So this is another of the difference next to the buckle, okay? So this waist trainer, we usually have 4 colors. You can see this hot pink, there's a purple one, there's a blue one, and there's a black one. So we usually have this 4 color waist trainers for this side. But if you want more colors, more designs, you feel free to contact us, because you can order custom design. So let me wear it for you guys and you can see how much it's going to shape my body. So can you see how it's shaped my waist? How tight it's holding me? So this waist trainer, this elastic belt gives you that advantage. It gives you that extra tightness. And look at it here. This elastic belt covers almost 80% of your waist. So it means it can hold almost every part of your waist, especially on the sides. If you have rolls on the side that you want to lose, then this can hold you really tight. And also another benefit of this waist trainer is this buckle right here. It can show you how much you're losing, how much waist size you're losing, because it has 3 rows, just like the 3 rows on the waist trainer. The buckle also has 3 rows, so you can see your progress starting from the first row, then when you come to the second, then to the third. This will keep you motivated to wear the waist trainer for a long time, okay? So this is another of the advantage. Another thing is this belt, it doesn't have the laser bag. So if you want to wear this under your clothes, this won't show as much as it would have. That's why we made it the hook and eye closure, because this can hide under your clothes more easily than the laser bag one, okay? So this is also another advantage, other than this amazing curve it gives you. You can look at it here. And I hope you liked today's video. This is one of our patent designs only found on Nambi Fashion. So if you're interested, make sure to check our website and send an inquiry there, or send us a direct message on Instagram. I'll link both of it down on the description box. Make sure to give us a like and comment if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in another video next time. Bye.